Let's start with the script. Are you tired of camping trips being ruined by dull, lackluster cooking experiences? Perhaps you've been searching for a solution to elevate your outdoor cuisine, but haven't found one that lives up to its promises. Well, put down whatever it is you're doing and keep watching, because today we're reviewing the Campfire Solaris, a game-changing camping stove that's about to revolutionize the way you cook in the great outdoors. But here's what surprised me. This isn't just any ordinary camping stove, it's a high-performance powerhouse that's packed with features designed to make your cooking experience faster, easier, and more enjoyable than ever before. For the best price, click the link in the description. The Campfire Solaris boasts an impressive list of specifications that set it apart from its competitors. With its sleek, compact design, this stove is perfect for backpackers and solo campers who need a reliable cooking solution without sacrificing space or weight. But what really caught my attention was its ability to reach temperatures up to 500 degrees F in just a few minutes. That's faster than any other camping stove on the market. But there's more. The Solaris also features a built-in windscreen, which helps to reduce heat loss and ensure a consistent flame. This means you can cook your meals even in windy conditions without worrying about the temperature dropping or the flames going out. Therefore, I had to ask myself, what makes this stove so special? Is it really worth the investment? Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that set the Campfire Solaris apart. The first thing you'll notice is the stove's compact design, which makes it perfect for backpackers and solo campers who need to save space in their gear. But don't let its size fool you. This stove packs a punch when it comes to performance. But here's what I found interesting. Despite being small, the Solaris still manages to accommodate large pots and pans, making it an ideal choice for families or groups who need to cook in bulk. Therefore, whether you're camping with friends, family, or solo, this stove is sure to impress. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive deeper into the features that make the Campfire Solaris so special. One of the standout features of this stove is its advanced windscreen technology. This feature helps to reduce heat loss and ensure a consistent flame, even in windy conditions. But here's what I found impressive. The windscreen is designed to be adjustable, allowing you to customize it to your specific needs. Whether you're cooking in a breezy meadow or a sheltered valley, this stove has got you covered. Therefore, let's talk about performance. How does the Campfire Solaris stack up against other camping stoves on the market? We took it out for a spin and put it through its paces to find out. The results were impressive. The Solaris reached temperatures of up to 500 degrees F in just a few minutes, making it one of the fastest cooking stoves we've ever tested. And with its advanced windscreen technology, you can be sure that your meals will be cooked consistently and efficiently. But here's what I found surprising. Despite its impressive performance, the Solaris is actually quite fuel efficient. We were able to cook a full meal using just a small amount of fuel, making it an ideal choice for backpackers who need to conserve resources on long hikes. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient cooking solution that's perfect for camping trips of any length, the Campfire Solaris is definitely worth considering. But don't just take my word for it. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons of this stove. Some of the benefits of the Campfire Solaris include its compact design, advanced windscreen technology, and impressive performance capabilities. It's also fuel efficient, making it an ideal choice for backpackers who need to conserve resources on long hikes. But here's what I found interesting. One of the few downsides of this stove is that it can be a bit pricey. However, considering its high-quality materials and advanced features, we think it's well worth the investment. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient cooking solution that's perfect for camping trips of any length, the Campfire Solaris is definitely worth considering. But don't just take our word for it. Let's talk about some of the customer reviews to see what other people are saying about this stove. Customer reviews have been overwhelmingly positive, with many users praising the stove's performance and ease of use. One user even reported cooking a full meal using just a small amount of fuel, which is quite impressive considering the Solaris advanced windscreen technology. But here's what I found interesting. Some users have reported that the stove can be a bit finicky to set up, but this was only a minor complaint and didn't seem to affect their overall satisfaction with the product. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient cooking solution that's perfect for camping trips of any length, the Campfire Solaris is definitely worth considering. And as always, be sure to check out our link in the description below for the best price on Amazon. For the best price, click the link in the description.